How to make money online with Clickbank for beginners. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a unique way you may not have thought about to make money with Clickbank, even if you're a beginner. So I'm going to show you step by step what I would do, so stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero and welcome to the channel. If you are brand new on this channel, what you could expect to see are daily videos I upload consistently about making money online, all things online marketing. If you're a seasoned marketer, I give tips on sales, funnels, list building, Facebook ads, e-commerce, anything you could ever want and imagine with internet marketing. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can see every single time my content comes out. Alrighty, so if you've been following my channel a little bit, you know that I've been traveling the world for 6 months in Southeast Asia, and it's my first week back in my hometown of Oxnard, California, and I'm in my backyard and it's beautiful outside today, and I'm happy to be home, happy to be sharing this knowledge with you guys, because my #1 goal with this channel is to give you guys inspiration to start your online business so that you can have the time and location freedom that you desire and to spend more time with the people that you love. Alright, so about today's video with Clickbank, it's a little bit of a more unique approach that I discovered the other day, and I wanted to share it with you guys. However, I do want to say that no matter who you are, the reason why people, the super affiliates and the gurus, the top 2 reasons why they make so much money on Clickbank is #1, they have a huge audience with a brand. Okay, they build up a brand, they build a huge audience with that brand, and they get tons of traffic. #2, they have a huge email list. I interviewed an internet marketing millionaire the other day when I laid over in Tokyo, and somebody asked me, they're like, hey, he doesn't have a big YouTube channel. How is he making so much money? And I'm like, you know what? He's got an email list of just about between 400 and 500,000 leads, and he gets about 3,000 subscribers to his email list per day. So that is how you make the big change. And so I'll go ahead and switch to my computer and give you guys a little strategy that you can use if you're starting out on Clickbank. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back to my computer, where we are on clickbank.com. Now, of course, if you are brand new to Clickbank, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com, go ahead and create your free account right here, fill this out. Everything is just fine. Clickbank is very credible. They do billions of dollars in sales every year. They've been around for a decade. So go ahead, take a couple minutes to go ahead and sign up for your free account. Now, what I want you to do is, I have a video on how to pick and promote a profitable Clickbank offer. So I'll leave that card up here and in the description so you can reference that later. But what I'm going to do, I've kind of been into health and fitness lately myself, just with working out and also my diet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a product in the health and fitness niche. I'm going to go ahead and do Organifi, just because it's a green juice supplement and they have really good sales page and it's a really solid product. I've heard a lot of good things about it just from doing research on it in the past. So I clicked on Organifi. I just clicked here, hover over it. It will take you straight to the sales page. Here is also where you can check out their affiliate program, or I'm sorry, their resources for affiliates. So do not promote a Clickbank product if it does not have an affiliate page for affiliates, because chances are if it doesn't have good resources. So here's the affiliate resources page, and here is the sales page. So I want to show you this trick really quick, but before I do, let's look at the affiliate page. So let's look at here's where they outline their funnel. So they have the funnel, 1 bottle, 3 bottles, 6 bottles, and how they have their bundles together, their upsells, their second upsell. And so you really understand how the commission structure is going to work and how you're going to receive your commission. So and they break down why they have their average dollar per sale and all that good stuff. So what is the the overview of Organifi green juice. It tells you what it is. Top affiliates are earning 2.4 earnings per click. EPC means earnings per click from warm traffic. 2.4 or $2.40 is pretty good. So now I clicked on another link. It was a link they had on their affiliate page called Affiliate Resources. And so this gives you more kind of instruction on how to be an affiliate, some of the rules of being an affiliate, information about the offer, highest commissions ever on a physical product. So that's pretty cool. Resources. So here are some resources and lead magnets that they're giving you if you want to run paid advertising, SEO, looks like Facebook as well. So they really have their numbers dialed in and know exactly what they need to do. And like here they have banner ads and all that good stuff. So now what I want to do, oh, here's some more Facebook ad examples. So that's pretty cool. And another thing I wanted to point out is that they have email swipes. So that's perfect if you were trying to follow up with people who maybe didn't buy on the first look of the offer, and you could send them, download these email swipes and copy them into your autoresponder so that when people opt in, they can receive these promotional emails if they don't buy on the first sight of looking at the product, which is very likely because people don't usually buy. An industry standard is it takes 7 times for people to see a product to buy. Okay, now I'm back to the sales page, and what I want you to do, or in this case what I'm going to do, is take this right here, www.organifi.com, and we are going to look at some statistics for this website. We're going to look up similarweb.com because this is a very good tool when you want to know some statistics about a particular website. So we're going to put that in there, Organifi.com. And we're right here we see what the global rank is, and the country rank, and the category rank. So if we look at this traffic overview, we see the total visits, okay, the 321.48 thousand visits. Average visit duration is 2 minutes, pages per visit. So there's all kinds of statistics. This is kind of cool. You can see what countries the traffic is most popular. You know, the US, of course, is number 1. Traffic sources, here's direct, referrals, so referrals meaning affiliate traffic, search traffic, social media traffic, email, etc. And when you come down here to referrals, where it's, you know, a little under 5%, you can see what sites are the most popular for referring this product. So you can see the top affiliate sites for this product. Now, let's look up FitLife TV. So we'll open this link in a brand new tab, and we could check out fitlife.tv. When we come here to fitlife.tv, let's see what we can find here. Okay, so FitLife TV is really, the owner of this created this brand specifically to be an affiliate. So I'm not sure if this person has their own products, you know, themselves, but if you look up here, you can see that they are promoting the Organifi product, right? So this is, you know, one of their main products that they promote on this site. Now, this brand probably took quite a bit of time to build up and promote and to get a bunch of traffic to. So as you look at this, they have 3.5 million followers on Facebook, 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, and 170K followers on Instagram. That is nuts. That's a huge brand. So this brand right here is getting a whole lot of traffic, you guys. So this brand has been built up over the years, and now it's got a nice clean look, and really throw any fitness product or supplement on here and they'll probably make bank. So here's a couple of things to note about FitLife TV. As I was mentioning in the intro of my video when I was standing outside, you either have to build a massive list in a particular niche of whatever it is you're marketing, right? Or you have to build an amazing brand like this and grow a fan base audience. So this is exactly what this brand has done. They have built up a great brand in the health and fitness niche. So not only do they have their own huge list, their own huge audience, as you can see from their other followers on their social media platforms, but they have people that are paying to have their advertisements on this website. So they're monetizing it in those two ways. I mean, probably way more than that, but those are the main two ways that they're monetizing this website. And, you know, being an affiliate, of course, for Organifi is a huge way of them making sales. So an important thing also to note is that within their website, they have a blog, and all of these blog posts probably have tons of affiliate links in them. So the strategy here is to build a website and to have a blog on that website so you can upload different blog posts, and the more traffic you get to your blog posts and you rank them with Google SEO and that type of thing, you get a whole bunch of traffic to your website. So, you know, their strategy here is monetizing their blog posts with affiliate links. And of course, if you come up here, so check out how it says fitlife.tv. If you click here, you know, shop now, and it comes to this affiliate page. So you see the website just completely changed. It's no longer FitLife TV, it's Organifi Shop. They have an entire affiliate page, an entire page where if you buy any of these products, FitLife TV gets the sale. So that is very powerful. I hope you guys realize the power in that strategy. So not only that I wanted to mention, but if you guys were interested, let's say, in contacting FitLife TV to do your own paid promotions, you can do that. And here is a trick that no one is really talking about, and this is why it's kind of a unique strategy and why I'm sharing it with you guys. Because when you're first starting out, you don't have an audience, you don't have a built-up brand, you don't have an email list. So it's likely that you could and should invest in paid advertising if you have the budget. So if you come down here to contact, you would contact the owner of this website or their manager or whoever it is. But you see how they have these, you know, banner ads right here and these different paid advertisings on the sides. You can get in touch with them and basically ask, you know, how much it would be to run an offer on their website. So to have your ad placed somewhere on their website. And obviously the reason you would want to do this is because we've established that they are #1 in getting traffic for this product here. So if we go back to contact, we can see like, hey, you know, look at this banner, and we need a different banner, obviously. So what we could do in this case is go to $20banners.com, and we would request that one of their vendors basically design a banner that is similar to that banner, but make sure it's different. So you could just say, hey guys, can you recreate this banner and, you know, redo it for me and make it look different and that type of thing. So you're not copying at all the original banner, but you're kind of putting a twist on it and making it your own. All right, guys, I hope you got some good ideas from this video. This is just a little tip on another way to promote Clickbank when you're just beginning. I hope it gave you some good insight. So if you guys want to know more about affiliate marketing and building up an affiliate marketing business, you can go and access my free affiliate marketing training. You can go to limitlesstrafficacademy.com, and it's completely free. It's just a 5-part video series that goes way more in depth about this topic. It'll be in the description in the link below. So if you get access to that, I give you basically the exact strategies I'm using to run and build up my affiliate marketing business and how I'm able to generate a full-time income online. Alrighty, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.